Entiendo de que
The players were the most important part of today's match, and from there we played the game the way we wanted to play on the pitch, and it went really well. The execution of the players was brilliant.
Y bueno, salió muy bien. A partir de eso,
the attack on the right was to try to face Griezmann with Nacho and Arda with Contrao, to give Juan Fran the chance to be more free on the attack. Defending with Gabi and Thiago next to Cristiano Ronaldo and Benzema, and it went well.
De atacar más libre y compensando el ataque, defendiendo bien con Gabi y Thiago.
Koke's injury was a bad one, because he's an important player for us. But Saul's performance was brilliant too, so it went well.
La interpretación de Saúl fue brillante también, así que muy bien.
We have to thank the players for the afternoon we had. It was a really great one, where the team played well and was really convincing. That is something to be grateful about, and the supporters certainly were.
Pocas canchas se ve, y la verdad que ojalá podamos seguir en esta línea.